keeping track of your monthly bills has never been easier. With this monthly bill calendar, streamline your bill tracking effortlessly. Today, I'm going to show you my new, easy-to-use, single-page monthly bill calendar. Let's get started right away. First, let's begin with calendar settings. Here you can choose the month, year, calendar start date, and currency. I designed this section to be fully customizable to suit everyone's needs. Next, we add our bill details: bill name, amount, and due date. The bills you enter will automatically appear on the calendar. Up to 6 bills can be displayed per day. When a payment is made, simply check the corresponding checkbox, and it will be automatically crossed out. Each day features a payment completion percentage and a progress bar. You'll see the progress bar update as you check off the boxes. I also made today's date stand out with a dark background so you can easily see it on the calendar. It's that easy to use. Now let me explain 2 methods you can use when transitioning to a new month. If you want to save your data, simply duplicate the sheet for each new month. However, if you don't need to keep the data, just use the Reset Checkboxes button to clear all the checkboxes, then select the new month. If there are any changes in bill amounts, you can update them in the Amount section. That's it. If you'd like to check out this user-friendly, fully customizable, and easy-to-use monthly bill calendar, you can find the link in the description. See you in the next video, and happy planning!